Your scars tell a story. Let's get you compensated. Many veterans have scars. These are marks left behind from injuries during service. Did you know these scars could be worth money? You served our country. You sacrificed for us. Now it's time to get the benefits you deserve. The VA gives money to veterans with service-connected scars. This is called compensation. It's to thank you for your service and sacrifice. Every scar has a story. Your story matters. The VA has rules about scar compensation. These rules are in a special code called 38 CFR Section 4.118. This code explains which scars qualify for compensation. It also explains how the VA decides how much to pay. Not all scars qualify for compensation. The VA has to decide if your scar is from your service. They also look at how big and noticeable your scar is. Many types of scars can qualify you for VA disability. Surgical scars are a big one. Did you have surgery because of an injury during your service? That scar could mean money in your pocket. Burn scars are also important. Burns are painful and leave lasting marks. The VA knows this and wants to help. Scars from combat wounds are important too. These scars show your bravery. Any scar from a procedure you got while serving could qualify. This includes things like biopsies or removing stitches. The VA doesn't just give everyone the same amount for scars. They look at each scar individually. Size is one factor. A bigger scar might mean more compensation. Location, location, location. Where your scar is on your body matters. Scars on the face are more noticeable. They might get a higher rating. Pain is another factor. Does your scar hurt? Tell the VA. This is important information. Lastly, they look at how your scar affects your movement. Can you move your body the same way? Section 5. Filing your claim, a step-by-step guide. Filing a claim can feel overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. First, gather your evidence. Take clear photos of your scars. Use a ruler in the picture to show their size. Next, get your medical records. These records prove your scars are from your service. You'll need these when you file your claim. You can file your claim online, by mail, or with help from a veteran service officer. Section 6. Don't forget secondary scars. Secondary scars are important too. These are scars that happen because of another service-connected problem. Let's say you injured your leg in service, causing you to limp. That limp might lead to a back problem. If you needed surgery for your back, that scar is secondary. The VA knows that one injury can lead to others. They want to compensate you fairly. Make sure to talk about all your scars, even the ones that came later. Section 7. Acing your C&P exam tips for success. After you file your claim, the VA might call you in for an exam. This is called a Compensation and Pension Exam, or C&P exam. This exam is very important for your claim. Be honest and thorough when describing your scars. Does your scar hurt? How much does it hurt? Does it itch? Is it numb? Be specific. Explain how your scar affects your daily life. Can you wear certain clothes? Does it affect your work? Don't be afraid to talk about how it makes you feel emotionally. Section 8. Avoid these common mistakes. Many veterans make mistakes when filing their claims. Don't let this happen to you. One mistake is forgetting to mention all their scars. Remember, every scar counts. Another mistake is not giving the VA all the information. Tell them how big your scars are. Explain where they are on your body. Describe any pain or problems moving. Don't be shy. This is your chance to tell your story. Section 9. Claim what you've earned. Your scars tell a story. They are a reminder of your service and sacrifice. The VA wants to compensate you for what you've been through. Don't hesitate to file your claim. You served our country. Now let us serve you. There are people who can help you with the claims process. Reach out to a veteran service organization. They can answer your questions and guide you through every step. You deserve it.